everyone, welcome. This is Samaritan Woman here today, and today we're going to be learning a song for the children, and the song is an old Christian chorus in Africa, and it is Jesus is my bulldozer. Here we have a toy, an illustration of like a bulldozer. This could be a tractor, but we are going to be using this today to illustrate a bulldozer. What does a bulldozer do in this sense? The bulldozer is like this kind of heavy vehicle that helps to bulldoze things or push things or carry things, obstacles on the way, like this tractor is bulldozing or packing or clearing, making a path where there is no path. Maybe there are things trying to clear, so it bulldozes. So the song goes that Jesus is like a bulldozer that helps to bulldoze things out of your way and out of your life. So let's go. Jesus is my bulldozer, amen. He's my bulldozer, amen. Amen, he's my bulldozer. Jesus is my bulldozer. Amen. Woo! Let's go. Bulldozer is going, bulldozing things. Wee-hoo! 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 Say hello to the Kiki and Gloria with our lovely paracards. Woo-hoo! Bulldozing things. Yay! Bulldozes things from our lives that are not supposed to be there. Yeah. So the song goes, Jesus is my bulldozer, amen. He's my bulldozer, amen. Jesus is my bulldozer, amen. He's my bulldozer. Jesus is my bulldozer, amen. He's my bulldozer, amen.